Abusia we a quick one. Has said the echo social media no so no Shatta Wale. Na the America chere Shatta Wale ni say onto ne bo ase. Sebi obi ya ade ne se ade no wo fe. Ne se also opese okofa saa ade no eba wo fie. Ana se opese wo sue nipa kro no a abusua yentena ensopa saa nipa kro no. De eye se wo ye ne se eye anamon a eye nipa kro no etutu no saa anamon kro no na eye se wo nso ututu ewo wo mamu na se eye Nigeria fo be support o omo support o abusua me say it is neither here nor there. Shatta Wale is just making a lot of noise on social media these days. So who per se Nigerians, who per se you want to be as big as Nigerian artists, who per se Ghanaian artists rising to the top. If you want support for our up and coming artists, you don't have to be slandering Nigerian artists and their industry. All you have to do is to follow whatever blueprint ya omode ato. So ati obi bokwan na se wo hwe na se saa ekwan no wo fe na se wo hwe na se otimi ubetimi afa knowledge bi aka no ho aka wo de ho a pick it up. Me say pick it up na fa saa knowledge no efa eka wo de ho, but you don't go and fight an industry which you are not even part of. So at the metre no, Nigerians have developed their industry. Ghanaians, we should be seeking to develop our industry. And now we're taking to social media. Now we do Nigerian for atem. But we are forgetting, say, most of the Nigerian artists, most of the Nigerian people are more rising up. They are gradually giving our boys a lot of mileage elsewhere. She obeyed to say the partnership between King Promise and Wizkid. Recently, Wizkid beautifully introduced King Promise on one of his O2 shows in London. Nabusia yempe we yepeden. Intime say the structures that has propelled Nigerian music industry to the highest. No? We as Ghanaians, we should not be fighting it. We as Ghanaians, we should be looking to invent those structures in our system. So at the metre no, se obi bo kwan, ne se wo hwe, ne se sis kwan na obo no etene, ne se wo di ne knowledge na ode ato ho no eka wo de ho a, ne se you should do it. It is not about fighting them. If Nigerians decide not to allow you into their system, there is nothing that you can say. So at the metre no, they choose to protect their culture and image over there. It is their right. So at the metre no, enti se wo wote ha, na se all that you will do is go on social media and rant. My brother Shatta, you will not get anywhere. In fact, you are even making a mockery of the system that you are from. Right now, you are telling the whole Ghana, say, Ghanaian systems, it is not working. And even the people who are supposed to put the system there, people like you who are supposed to add your voice and speak to get the system to work, you are telling the whole world, say, the system that you are part of, it's not working, and that you don't even have the capacity to build it yourself. Enti se Ghana for will be kachere Shatta Wale ame say they should tell Shatta Wale to try as much as possible to add his voice to the system that he is fighting for. Shatta Wale should call on Ghanaian politicians. Shatta Wale should call on his fellow music people to invent the system. If they want to copy Nigerians, whatever they have built, they should do so. It is up to them. to decide what system that they want. Nigerians have decided what system they want, and for their system, they say that it is 80% for Nigerian content, 20% for all other music. So what they mention? And if you don't get into their system, it is what the Nigerians have put in place. What is it that you are putting in place? Is it about just ranting on social media? Abusia, Bidin Eddie Jabot, I just added my voice to what is happening with Eye Shatawale and the sort of fight that he is generating between Ghanaians and Nigerian music acts. No? In fact, there is no such fight between these two nations. In fact, Nigerians are our best competitors. So what they mention, competition doesn't mean say competition. No, it doesn't mean say you should fight them all the time. Competition means that you take what they are doing, strengthen it, and then apply it to your system so that you can beat them. Competition doesn't mean fight. Competition doesn't mean fight. Competition doesn't mean fight. If you want to go on a road, you have to follow the person who was there first. Nigerians have been able to put the system there first. It is up to us to follow it. Midin Edijabot Medawase.